Welcome to the CompTIA A Plus training video series. This is part one of the series. This series is for anybody who is studying for CompTIA A Plus, whether a student or if you're just somebody that wants to understand more about computing or hardware or networking, or anybody that's starting a career in IT. So with that said, let's begin.
Question 36. Benjamin finds that his processor's cooling fan is too noisy. He is researching a passive cooling system. What are the disadvantages of passive cooling? A. Temperature within the case will rise and the operating temperature of the other components will rise too. B. Passive cooling system is more likely to fail than a traditional cooling system. C. Passive cooling systems are not as robust and require frequent maintenance. D. Passive cooling systems are generally financially unfeasible. The answer is A. The temperature within the case will rise and operating temperature of the other components may rise too. Question 37. Benjamin has made a short list of passive cooling systems. The surface of the heat sinks are made from different material. Which material would typically yield the best results? A. Brass. B. Aluminium. C. Copper. D. Iron. The answer is C. Copper. Question 38. Is the material used on the flat surface of the heatsink an important factor in cooling? A. Yes, some of the materials are cheaper than others. B. Yes, some materials are better than others at absorbing heat. C. No, heatsink surface material doesn't matter. D. No, the material's surface doesn't matter as long as there is a fan on top. The answer is B. Yes, some materials are better than others at absorbing heat. Question 39. Sandra wants to upgrade her desktop's memory from 4GB to 8GB. She has checked her motherboard manufacturer's website and it's compatible. What other compatibility issues should she check for? A. The operating system is 64-bit compatible. B. CPU is fast enough to handle the memory. C. The power supply unit has enough juice for the memory. D. The latest device drivers are installed. The answer is A. Operating system is 64-bit compatible. Question 40. What was one of the most fundamental changes from socket AM2 Plus to socket AM3? A. Support for hexacore processors. B. Support for quad-core processors. C. For both DDR2 and DDR3. D. Support for DDR3 memory. The answer is C. Support for both DDR2 and DDR3.
For my students that are serious about passing their CompTIA A Plus exam, I've put together a full comprehensive training guide. In this guide, there is hundreds and hundreds of sample exam papers full of explanations, questions, and answers to anything computer hardware related and CompTIA related. I guarantee you, if you go through this training program, you will pass the very first time. Only today, I'm offering a 50% discount. So this is a limited time offer only. You could download this training guide, this comprehensive training guide from CompTIAdumps.co.uk. CompTIAdumps.co.uk. Simply go to that website, download the material, and I guarantee you, read through it. It will explain everything from A to Z, CompTIA related, and you will pass. So, once again, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.